Dependents of Manoj Kumar preferred claim petition before Motor Accident Claims Tribunal First District Kangra HP by filing claim petition number MACT number 65 of 2016 titled as Vijay Kumari and others versus Rai Singh and others, wherein after taking into consideration the pleading and evidence on record, the MACT has awarded compensation in favor of claimants amounting to rupees 65 lakh 30,488 with interest therein 6% per annum from the date of filing the petition till its realization with direction that the compensation shall be paid to the claimants by insurance company being insurer right to recover the same from the owner of the car Rajendra Kumar. This award has been assailed by filing FAO number 64 of 2022. Deceased Manoj Kumar in this matter was serving as traffic manager in HRTC and his monthly salary was rupees 57,962 as is evident from last pay certificate PW3 oblique A issued by the regional manager HRTC admitted proved facts in both cases are that owner Rajendra Kumar had purchased Nano car on 10 June 2015 with temporary registration certificate bearing number HP 68A temporary 5592 which was valid for 30 days till 9 July 2015 either before expiry of the temporary registration or thereafter till the date of accident to October 2015. No steps were taken by the owner for registration of car including filling an application as provided under Rule 47 of Central Motor Vehicle Ruler 1989 and temporary registration of the vehicle as provided under Section 43 of the Motor Vehicle Act had expired on 9th July 2015 and the vehicle was being plied on the road without having an registration despite the mandatory requirements for playing the vehicle is to get it registered before drive the vehicle on public place full stop para he play regarding the non implementation of truck driver, truck owner, and insurance of the said truck is also not available to the insurance company because though in FAO number 64 of 2022 there is no reference of truck in the claim petition. However, in the FIR as placed and proved on record in the said case as PW5 oblique A, there is reference of truck number HP 24D2342 parked on the extreme left side of the road beyond the metalled road despite that insurance company has not assailed the said award by filing an independent appeal or otherwise. Therefore, this ground taken in FAO number 45 of 2022 is not available to the insurance company in view of act, conduct, deed, and acquiescence on the part of insurance company. In both the appeals, insurance company is directed to pay amount of compensation in aforementioned terms to the claimants along with interest of 6% per annum from the date of filing petition till payment oblique deposit of the same with right to recover the same from the owner of the car. Full stop.